Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And mine is Andrew.
Today we're in Minecraft Education Edition.
So as you can see, we're in the Nether because we're going to do some Piglin trading. So on chat command Piglin, I'm going to use the builder teleport to where you are. So the builder is basically an invisible agent suited for building. And then
it's called builder.
Yeah, so we also are going to use the agent. So both the builder and agent are going to go to it. So agent's going to set blocker item. So the agent's going to get 64 golden ingots in slot 1. So the agent also has an inventory. So we're going to be using these golden ingots to trade with the piglins.
Since piglin like golden ingots. So yeah.
So agent set active slot 1. Then agent.move right by 1. And then now we're going to use the builder. So repeat 5 times for the cage where you'll get the piglins. You don't want them running all around.
It's going to be hard to trade with them.
Yeah, so builder trace path from mark with, so it's a fence. And builder move forward by 4. That'll be one side. Then builder turn left get ready for another side, so it'll make the cage. So now let's test it out and see what loot we can get.
But first, let's see in pipe.
Okay, so def on the chat, so this is a function. Builder.teleport to position 000.
Which is where you are.
Yeah. Then agent.teleport to player, so the agent will also come. Then agent.set item gold ingot, 64 gold ingots in slot 1. Agent.set slot 1, so this active slot is 1. Then agent.move right 1, so it won't be in the cage or stuck in the fence.
Or else we have to very hard try to get it out.
Yeah. So for index and range 5, so it's a repeat loop. Builder.trace path oak fence. So builder.move forward 4, so that'll be one side. And then builder.turn left turn, get ready for another side. And then it'll build the cage. So player.on chat, when you type piglin on the chat, it'll run the function. Now, let's try it. Okay.
You might want to get some piglin spawners.
Yeah.
It would be better if they're included.
Yeah, it's piglin. Okay. Then I'm gonna type piglin. Okay.
That was fast.
Oops. The agent is still stuck. You can get the gold ingot still, even if it's stuck inside. It's kind of glitchy. Yeah, okay. And spawn. Okay. They're all crossbow.
Oh,
okay,
this one's golden sword. Is any of them going to get an enchantment or something?
Ooh,
oh, almost full
yeah,
gold armor.
That has chest plate and helmet. So now you can just drop
a lot.
Yeah. Drop them and then they'll just pick them up. And then they'll stare at it.
And drop something.
After a little while, they drop something.
They're like, oh. Ooh. They gave you a lot.
Okay, that's the first round. Let's see. Okay. We have
more obsidian.
So much obsidian. 64 and another one. We have a soul sand. Black stone, 10 arrows,
that's rare.
2 fire charges, 2 ender pearls, and a potion of fire resistance. Piglins themselves aren't immune to fire. Okay.
Oh look, there's more loot over there.
Oh, yeah. Okay, some are late because they pick it up late. Okay, what did we get? I think we got
more black stone and more ender
pearls. Okay. Next round.
They stare at it. They stare.
Oh.
That one doesn't have one. Oh, they spam. Oh, there is crying obsidian.
Yeah.
Oh,
okay.
The gold armor is still staring at it.
Okay, let's see what we got. Okay.
Let's see. We got more fire charge.
Yeah, 2 more fire charges, some crying obsidian,
nether
bricks,
and some leather.
Leather.
I guess the leather is the most useless.
Yeah.
They get most. That's
okay,
so sad.
Next round.
Oh, that one already had one.
All of them have one. They just stare. Ooh.
I think some of them gave you strings.
Yeah.
Oh, this one too.
Okay, let's review. We have 12
strings. That's a lot.
And
More.
one more obsidian. We have a lot of obsidian.
We got some more nether bricks, I think. I can't keep track.
Yeah, and I think we got more crying obsidian. Next
it would be useful if you had a notebook right next to you and write it down.
Yeah, keep track. I'm gonna spawn more.
You might want to make the cage bigger.
Yeah, you can extend it.
Drop more. The ones that are moving don't have any.
Ooh.
They just
I'm gonna
pop
wait
out.
for the last two. It's still staring.
Oh, okay. Ooh, that one gave us a fire charge.
They can give us very rare things.
Like, such as potions.
Yeah.
But they only give us fire resistance.
Splash potion of fire resistance. We got another drinking potion.
Oh, one more crying obsidian, I think, or 11 more. I don't know.
We got a few more arrows, and we have a lot of blackstone now.
56
almost a full
and one more
slot.
obsidian.
Yeah.
One more.
They love obsidian.
Okay, let's drop last round. Drop every single one of them. I think it will take.
Oh, I dropped all of them.
Yeah, but there's still some of them.
Yeah. Okay.
The ones that are lucky get to pick the ones that are left. There's one on defense.
Okay.
Ooh.
Collect the loot. Ooh, there's some new stuff this round.
Yeah.
See, water bottle.
Water bottle.
Two water bottles. Another splash potion of fire resistance.
Another
one.
And 27 nether quartz.
That's a rare. And then gravel. You can use gravel. Well, you can try to trap them. Okay, I think there's still a little more.
I don't think so. They're all moving. They're all moving.
Well, there is no more. None. Okay, so the most loot we got was obsidian. We have 69, and then
obsidian is first.
Yeah.
Then it's blackstone.
Okay, then we have gravel. Crying obsidian.
No, the nether quartz is one more than the crying obsidian.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
We have 31 arrows. 20.
Oh, that's arrows is more than nether quartz. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay, 18 nether bricks, 11 leather. Oh, we got some more string. 12 string. We have we have 5 fire resistant potions.
And 2 water bottles.
Yeah, water bottles you can make to use
awkward potion.
Yeah,
or something.
You can use awkward potion to make a lot of, like, every single other potion with another item. Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.